Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so what's your name?
My name is
Chi. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay, what color do you like?
I like pink.
What shape do you like?
I like heart.
Heart. Okay, now let's have this one. What's the sound? What's this?
Snake. Sun. Spider. Sunway.
Very good. What's missing?
Sunway.
Very good. What's missing?
Spider.
Okay, what's missing?
Snake.
Snake. Okay, now what's the sound?
Apple. Arrow. Alligator.
Alligator. Okay, what's this? Okay, we say astronaut. Okay, now let's have this one. Which teacher has the up sound? Which teacher? What?
Apple.
Very good.
Arrow.
Very good. Okay, now let's have the blending sound. Very good. Okay, what's the sound? What's this?
Baby. Teddy.
Teddy.
Baby.
Table.
Apple.
What's this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay, this one.
Turtle.
Turtle. Very good. Okay, let's have the blending sound. Ah, sa. Okay, now let's have this one. What's the sound? What's this? Ink. Where is ink? Where is? Okay, what's this?
Iguana.
Where is iguana?
Iguana.
Okay, very good. What's this?
Insect.
Where is insect? Okay, what's this?
Igloo.
Where is igloo? Okay, what's this? Eel.
Eel.
Where is eel?
Eel.
Very good. Okay, now let's have the blending sound. Okay, let's have this one. It. Sit. Sit. Okay, now let's have this one. Let's read all. Us. Neck.
Neck.
Okay. So let's have this one. What picture has the sound? What picture? Wait. Sound. Oh, what's that? Neck.
Neck.
Oh. Neck. Nest.
Nest.
Okay. So let's have this one. Let's read.
Teeth.
Meat.
Meat. Nut. Pan. Tan. Tin. Meat.
Very good. Okay. So let's have this one. Let's read.
Apa.
An. It is. Okay, so that's our speaking test. Thank you, Chi.